Never wait for someone's help. Get some respect. Please only focus on what you grow. His ability you can reach. And clear, his body was ill. Who would have thought he'd be the one that set the Western world? I heard him like it was so bad. That's what they you had the stupidest versions to the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks free. 20% skill, 15% power of will, 80% man, 100% sick and he's spitting fire and rock. Got him out there fire, he's hot. Got him in the final with top. The fucking dial, this fucking prime. He's a now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime. This shit is equally dope. You won't believe how this kid's time. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work the wood. He's got making his way to the top. He knows he gets the kind of know his name. People keep asking him, was it even the person with his name on that? No, he's in the groove, to a rock in the booth. He'll get you up and quick in the shower. I can reduce you. He's taking the nobody really knows how a rhyme. We work so hard, it seems like every time before he even touches the key or speaks in her mind. Ridiculous. Now you're trying to 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 50% and 100% skill, 15% power of Get over here!
More combat. Oh! No. The music's gonna run out. Oh, Jingle. I'm taking my belt.
No! This is like forever.
On the way. Come kill him. Too bad Talia. Hold on. Oh, check. Oh, Jason, you! Ah! What the hell?